Make sure the gas is on, okay? Oh, yeah, that works wonders. Yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Is that feeling coming back a little?
Too familiar.
I wish you could ride. I was excited that you were comment. I'm like, oh, I wonder if he's gonna ride. I wonder how he's feeling, because I know you don't really feel too well all the time.
Last 3 months, man, it's been one thing after another. I've had 3 sacroiliac injections.
Oh my God.
Steroid injections in my back.
Yeah.
The epidural. Now I'm going for an MRI next week and another epidural.
Are you interested in a pod? A human pod? Human pod.
Is that the red light therapy?
No, it's basically when you're pretty much at the end of everything, you go in this pod and it keeps you alive for many years. Hey, many years to come. There's lots of life left in you. You'll be able to ride bikes too, everything.
I'm gonna give you an ice tub.
Ooh. Ice tubs, just know that after you get in, it's very hard to get out because you're locked up.
Oh, I bet.
Oh yeah, I've done it. I've done the polar plunge, I've done the ice baths, and it heals you, but you got to go through a healing process. It hurts. All right, buddy, we'll see you back here.